Hello everybody and welcome to The Camper Couple. Today I wanted to talk to you about dealing with disappointment, when things don't go right and how to make the best of it. If you've been watching our show, you know that we have dealt with our share of disappointment. See, it's pretty much a mess in here.
This is what happened to us, y'all.
See, we had a major mishap on the way here.
What?
Yeah, that was a series of disappointments. Have you ever really had your hopes really high on something and it turned out to be a major disappointment?
Yeah, I'm so bummed.
Have you ever just really been let down by something that just didn't go right? That happens. That's life. That's going to happen. And it's all in how you deal with it that determines whether you're going to have a good time or a bad time. Especially when you're dealing with an RV or a camper. To be dealing with a lot of crap and happy about it. Things are going to go wrong. Things are going to happen. Things are going to break. There's no way around that. And if you let that steal your joy, if you let that get in the way of your fun, then you might as well not even have a camper, because things are going to happen. But we try to make the best of it and come up with creative solutions on how to fix things. This past weekend, my drone gets stuck in a tree. Major disappointment. How do I deal with it? Well, you remember all that PVC pipe that the tenants left here in the backyard? That was a major disappointment when they moved out. But it turned out to be a blessing, because with that PVC pipe, I was able to fashion a pole, a big pole, to be able to get my drone out of the tree. Well, the drone is up in a tree right now. It wouldn't respond to me. It would go one direction, but it wouldn't come back in the other direction. And then a gust of wind just blew it right into a tree. And I don't know if you can see it, but it's way up in that tree right behind me. I'm gonna climb up on the roof and try and see if I can get it down.
We are attempting a drone rescue. Okay.
And there it is. Turned out to be okay. Lost a couple of these guards, but those are easily replaceable. And it still works. Yeah, that's great. Lots of things can go wrong, but it's all in how you deal with it and the perspective that you take and how you overcome those times when things don't go as planned. This weekend, we went up to a place in central North Carolina called Love Valley, and from the website and everything, it seemed like a pretty neat place, but it wasn't the right season, it wasn't the right time, it wasn't the right day of the week, and it turned out to be a major disappointment to us because there was nothing going on there. It's like going to a water park in the middle of winter. It's just timing is everything. There's some things that you can only do during special events, and so when you're making your plans to go on your trips, make sure you do your research and know when the best time is to go. It wasn't a total loss, but the thing is that we were able to make the best of it, because not far from there happened to be this great dealership for RVs that dealt in tiny houses. And you don't usually see tiny houses or things at an RV show, but this particular dealership specializes in them, and we went and we looked at a few. So I'm going to show you a few things from that, and we'll get back to you in just a little bit.
We decided to come and check out Love Valley. It's, where are we at, honey?
It's in the middle of nowhere.
It's a kind of just a little stop on the map. The gimmick is that there's no cars here. It's an old west town. We came, the drive up is incredibly beautiful. Not a lot going on today, so don't have a whole lot of good information to give. But it's looks like it would be very, very cute in terms of if all the stuff that's here is open.
Yeah, this is probably one of those special event kind of places where when a special event's going on here, it'll be very lively, but today it's dead. There's nothing going on at all. So everything is closed. It's a good place to come and ride horses. If that's what you're into, if you like riding horses, this is a really cute place to come and pass through. This is probably not something to make a whole week out of or anything like that, but if you have horses, if you travel with horses, this is a really good place to come and stop and go through, because it's a cute place to come and ride. They've got a few stores, and they've got horse trails all around here, and just a cute place to go and ride.
Now, I will say, we'll have to keep watch, and if there's some kind of event that's going to be going on here, we definitely want to follow back up on this one, because I think if that was the case, this would be awesome. And again, the drive-in is really pretty, and there's tons and tons of places to camp around here. So
yeah, there's like 5 different campgrounds.
Yeah, so it could really be a cool place to kind of do a night. But we'll definitely give you some updates on this one going forward. I like this one. This is a little different.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is a front this has got the kitchen in the front.
I like it.
This is smaller than the other ones.
I like the feel of this. Very beachy.
Beachy. 53,950.
Yeah, you put your TV here. A lot of storage in this thing.
Yeah, got a loft.
Yeah, this is your linens.
That must be bathroom.
This will be your big bathroom.
Mm.
Big bathroom. You want to come up?
Wow.
Yeah.
Regular size bathroom, I would say.
I kind of like what they did here. Okay. Like if you look, they kind of incorporated some of the
Washer dryer hookup.
Yeah.
This would be a stack set right here.
But look here, I really love this bedroom. Great storage. This is really neat. Nice deep closet. I mean, you would still have to have an extremely limited wardrobe, but it's pretty cool.
I'm a guy, so. I'd let you have majority of it. but it's got a loft.
Not a stand-up, but it's neat.
No, I mean, this would be definitely something that would be just a place for the kids to sleep or play.
I like this. This is really cool.
Look at this.
Oh my gosh, I love it. This is awesome. Look at the deck on this thing. How cool.
I've never seen one like this.
Whoa. Oh, this is awesome. Washer dry hookup.
No, not bad at all. Not
Not bad at all.
We're just out killing time, but I love the
It
style.
was too nice of a day to sit inside.
I don't even want to be in the office. That's how nice the day it is.
So we're
I
just
know.
wandering, but I love the style of this. This is really exciting.
Yeah, this one is unique. This one's so much different than any other one we have. As far as the roof has metal, all those have shingles.
This is cool.
Metal roof.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Metal roof. All the other ones have vinyl siding. This one has the timber bark party, what they like to call it.
I love this. I love this.
Yeah, this is probably my favorite one. We have a couple down at the bottom underneath as well.
Yeah. Y'all are like the only ones that deal in these, too.
So what?
Y'all are like the only ones that deal in
Yes,
these.
not many people have park models. We're one of the only dealers there is. But y'all feel free to take a look at the ones at the bottom as well.
Thank you so much. We're just
Sure.
wandering around, but thank you for checking
Oh,
on us.
no problem. Well, y'all have a great afternoon. Y'all
You too, sir.
let me know if I can help you out with anything.
Yes, sir. This is beautiful. Like, I love everything about this.
I bet you do.
If we did not have teenagers at home, this would be great for like your mom and dad.
To live in.
Yeah. Or my parents would love this.
Yeah. 65,950.
Oh, you see this? Look at that.
Little tiny pantry.
Well, I would think DVDs, things like that. But I guess pantry, yeah, that's a good idea.
Well, you're right. It's right here next to the kitchen. I would say your spices and stuff.
Yeah. And you could put like, I don't know, you could get one of those small IKEA sectionals for this little spot here.
Yeah, you could probably fit a couple more seats in here.
And I would put maybe little tiny shelves in the corner here
On each side.
for DVDs or things like that. This
Well, you
is
could always,
beautiful.
but the fact that it's got the porch.
It's awesome. I really love this. Baby, do you see what I see?
What do you see?
I see a Jayco Eagle.
Right, this one right here?
Yep.
But it's the one that your mom and dad want?
Yep.
.338 RETS. This. But the bathroom,
Yeah.
double door bathroom. But look at this bedroom.
I love this. I love the style.
Yeah. Apparently there's a fire alarm that's needing
And
battery.
washer and dryer hookups. Big closet.
Big closet. Washer dryer hookup behind there.
So you guys will see, this is what date day looks like for us.
Yeah, we go spend our time looking at RVs. Yeah. A dual entry bathroom, but if they don't like this, they can just shut one off and keep it that way.
I like this one. This is really cool. And it does have little nightstands.
But the decor on this is a lot
Awesome.
different than what we saw at the
We saw an eagle.
RV show.
I like this better.
Now, yeah, I do too. I mean, look at that fireplace.
And this, just to show anybody watching, for the record, the island.
Wow, that's
Can't do the kick thing. Ah! Don't pull it by the rollers. But this is mobile. So so you can move it. I'm sure there's locks on the casters on the other side. But
Once these slides are in, it probably squeezes it right in the middle.
yeah, it comes this
But
way.
I cannot get over that fireplace.
I love this.
You cannot get more homey than this thing. Oh my word.
This is beautiful. This is so beautiful, like to the point I would have to show my parents. They would love this. Do you see the price?
Oh wow. It's because it's a 2017, but still. This is awesome. Look at this. Definitely a place for a retired couple. Wired for solar.
Yeah, it's wired. Yeah, I kind of like this because I like the bigger living area. The way this is laid out, you have more seating, which is cool.
Well,
It's cool though. I love the
well,
ceiling.
because the other one had the door.
Yeah.
It's got the fireplace. Very bright colors in here.
Yeah, this is a little nice bathroom in this one. This is your linens. That's like another pantry right there.
Oh, right here. Regular size bathroom.
Good storage.
But
I
this-
like that the steps on these don't seem to be as steep as some of the other ones we've seen. They're not. Some of the other ones are almost ladder-like. They're so steep.
Yeah. I'd put a headboard or some kind of thing.
Yeah, this is a big office today. And it's got a TV stand on it too.
Let's check out that. I'm gonna show everybody the loft area. I see some beanbag chairs going up here or something like that. Hey there. You know, it's still a place to lounge around. That's all the time we have for today. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to us. We've got lots more videos ahead as we do more repairs to the camper and go on our little adventures. So please subscribe and we'll see you next time. Happy camping.